Hey boys and girls, we are going to be talking about data collection this week in math, which is a super fun unit, and I'm glad we get to do it before Christmas because I think it's really fun to learn how to collect data about different things and then learn how to record it. So the first thing we're going to learn about are tally marks, and tally marks are a good way to be able to count a group of numbers quickly when we count by fives. So anytime you see this like line going across, you don't have to count each individual line because you know that each group is roped into a group of five. So if you know how to count by fives and count by ones, then you can count with tally marks. So let's count by fives. So say it with me. 5, 10, 15. So there's 15 there. And then there's 4 ones by themselves. So we keep counting, but this time we're only going to count by ones. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So how many are there? 19. Very good. Okay, let's go to the next one. So we'll go across this way. Let's count by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15. Now count by ones. 16, 17. So there's 17 tally marks. Good. Now we're going to go to the next one. Let's count by fives. 5, 10. And by ones, 11, 12, 13. 13 tally marks. Good. How many tally marks are on the next one? There's only one group of 5. So how many is that? That's 5. Very good. Okay, let's keep going. We have a 5 and 4 ones. So let's count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9. Good. Okay, now we're going to keep counting by fives. 5, 10. The answer is 10. Okay, this one seems to have a lots of groups of fives, but it's okay because we can count it. It's no big deal. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. Good. Okay, I want you to count this one. I'm going to have you say it, and I'm going to point to it. So ready? How many did you decide? 21. Very good. Let's do it again. Ready? I'm going to have you count. How many? 15. Very good. Let's do it again. How many is that? 16. Nice job. Okay, I want you to do this next one. I'm going to point to it and you count it. 11. Very good. This one? How many? Good. 23. Good. Okay, so see, we did some together, and then I did some, we did some. Now, I want you to try the last 6 on your own. And if you need help, you can ask your neighbor. And then when you're finished, I want you to go to the back. These are just doing adding. It looks like we have 1s, 2s, and 3s. So remember, start on the bigger number. And then you can use dots or the number line. So like on this one, we do 7, 8, 9. Okay. On this one, 5 is the bigger number. So 5, 6, 7. Okay. 4, 5, 6. And the doubles. Okay. All right, boys and girls, you're awesome. Thank you.